Hey everybody, it is Danielle with Hair of Nature. Hair of Nature is a healthy hair care line designed to increase healthy hair growth, restore hair moisture, and limit the use of harsh chemicals. Today I will be doing a pre-poo episode. Pre-pooing is just a pre-conditioning treatment that you can use with your oil or conditioner. Today I will be pre-pooing with healthy hair oil. I have it sitting in some hot water to warm up, and then I will be pre-pooing with our mineral clay co-wash. Mineral clay co-wash is just a pre-conditioner treatment, and it has clays in it to really scrub your scalp and keep it healthy. As you can tell at my edges, they are a little white from residue buildup. I've been trying some edge controls and some different types of gels that I kind of want to add to the line, but with this, they all have been a no. So today I'm going to show you how I pre-poo. Right now I have my bottle warming up in some hot water. It's just to make it warm. It's just almost like a pre-hot oil treatment for your scalp. I am a flight attendant, if you did not know, so I've been at work for 2 weeks. And my hair has become dry. Prior to that, I had straightened my hair, so I just really need to get those nutrients back into my hair and my scalp to limit the flaking, keep my scalp and hair healthy, and give it the shine that it is lacking. So just stay tuned and watch how I get to work. So I let my conditioner and my hot oil treatment sit for about almost about an hour, probably right at an hour. So this is, as you can see, my curls have bounced back. They're really cute. Let's undo it so we can see, and you feel how weighted it is. And this is how I pre-poo my hair. Y'all see it? Y'all saw what it looked like. I should have did a picture before and after. So these are the results of my pre-poo. Again, I applied my Calendula healthy hair oil to my scalp. I warmed it up, applied it to my scalp, did a light scalp massage. Also applied it to my ends because my ends are really, really dry. Then I went in with my mineral clay co-wash to revert my hair, restore moisture, and just give my curls that fullness is need. Also with the clay co-wash, it has my clay in it, so it also I don't want to say cleanse. What's the word? Exfoliated my scalp, because in the front it was full of flakes. So as you can see, I don't even have that dry flaky buildup anymore in the front. Applied it to my scalp, twist my hair up, put my wonderful plastic bag on top of my head with my bonnet, and let it sit for about an hour so it can do the greenhouse method, which is basically the heat from my scalp. The heat from my scalp helps the products penetrate in my hair, giving it a wonderful, wonderful texture. Also, as you can tell, my curls have fully bounced back. You can see my hair is thicker and fuller. I'm gonna try to do more how-to videos or demos on different ways you can use the products and what they compare with. But as you can see, like, your girl hair is thick and healthy, okay? And these are all with Hair of Nature products.